ever reached in the pantry and that cake mix that you needed just isn't there? Hey, Travis County, I'm Tamara Schubert, your family consumer science educator for NMSU and Travis County Cooperative Extension Service. Thank you for joining us this month. We are talking about those mixes that you can keep in those pantries for those quick and easy times you need a rescue. So if you've ever looked at a pre-made box of cake mix, it's got some strange ingredients in it, and it's got a long list of ingredients. So we talked last week about how we want things that we can read the ingredients on. We can pronounce all the words and we know what's going into our food. So we're going to make a quick and easy cake mix that you can keep at home for those rescue emergencies when you need all those cupcakes or that special cake for that event. It's going to take just a few ingredients that all of us have, most of us have in our pantries. So we're going to start with the flour. All-purpose flour, we need 2.5 cups. So we want to be careful not to overpack our flour. So mine has a scraper in it, so 2.5 cups of flour. There's 2. We want to make sure that we're using all-purpose flour and not the self-rising flour. All right, so 2.5 cups of that. We need 1.5 cups of sugar. All right, so we've got flour and sugar. We're going to do a tablespoon of baking powder. And half a teaspoon of salt. And that is it. That is all that's going to go into our cake mix. From this cake mix, and I will post the ingredients here in just a little bit so you can see what all is involved, you can make several things. Add a little bit of vanilla and you get a vanilla cake. You do want to still add those eggs and milk, and again, I'll post those recipes in just a minute so that you can have those amounts. But it is a quick, easy, add flavoring as you want to and throw it in the oven. You do want to store it in an airtight container and it will keep. So instead of going and buying those pre-made cake boxes in the store, make them from the ingredients that you have right in your cupboards. Join us next week. We'll have another quick and easy substitute mix for you to enjoy.